Good morning, dear children. Yesterday we had seen about the ligands. Today I will tell you how to find the coordination number. As we know that total number of coordinate bonds formed by the ligands. How to find the coordination number? Total number of coordinate bonds formed by the ligand with किसके साथ बनाएगा? विद द सेंट्रल एटम और आयन. ठीक है, इज कॉल्ड कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर. Right, beta? So if it is a unidentate ligand, then 1 into total number of unidentate ligands. So coordination number of unidentate ligand is equal to 1 into total number of unidentate ligand. Okay. Second is, if coordination of didentate, we have to find out coordination number of didentate ligand is equal to 2 into total number of didentate ligand. Similarly, if it is hexadentate, then 6 into total number of hexadentate ligand. इस तरह से हमें फाइंड करना है. If I show you with the example, if I am writing here FeCN6 4. ठीक है. So what we see here, coordinate, ये है, ये unidentate ligand है. CN is unidentate ligand. ठीक है. एंड कितने CN है? 6 हैं. Therefore coordination number is equal to 1 into 6 is equal to 6. Fine. If I am writing second example, K3FeC2O4 thrice. Fine. There is no charge. So as we see, C2O4 oxalate ion कैसा बेटा? डाइडेंटेट है. C2O4 is didentate ligand या bidentate ligand. Okay. Therefore, और कितने C2O4 हैं? 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Therefore coordination number of Fe is 6. Correct? The third example I'll show you, nickel tetracarbonyl, CO whole 4. So here we will see that the coordination number of nickel you have to find out. So we have to find the coordination number. So we know that CO is, ये O capital आएगा ना, CO is unidentate. Correct? So when it is unidentate, and it has to be multiplied with 4. Okay. Therefore coordination number is equal to 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Right? Then fourth example is CO CO and फिर से लिख देती हूँ CO NH3 whole 4 H2O and Cl. Outside there is Cl2. So we have not to worry about outside Cl2. We have to find out the coordination number. So NH3 unidentate, dentate. Same with H2O, unidentate. Same with Cl, unidentate. Therefore 1 into 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 6. Therefore coordination number is equal to 6. इतना ईजी है बेटा. यूनिडेंटेड तो 1 into 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So coordination number is 6. In this way we can find the coordination number. एक और एग्जाम्पल बताऊँ अगर मैं तुम्हें तो Cr En thrice Cl3. En means bidentate ligand, dentate or didentate, whatever you want to write. Okay, so what will happen here? कितने हैं? 3. So 2 3 जा 6. Therefore coordination number is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So here also coordination number will be 6. Now I will tell you how to find the oxidation number of central metal atom. So oxidation number of central metal ion, how to find? To get the oxidation number of central metal ion, to get the oxidation number of central metal ion, subtract the oxidation number of ligands, subtract the oxidation number of ligands from the overall charge of the compound. So you see, if a compound is like this, Cu is the central atom, H2O, then here H2O, then H2O, then H2O, and here also H2O. So what we see here, there are, and the total charge is 2 plus. Okay, so here what we see children, total charge is 2 and ligands देखना है कि कैसा ligand. So all H2O, all ligands are H2O and H2O is neutral. So when H2O is neutral, then it has no charge, so we will write here overall charge, oxidation number is equal to overall charge minus 6 into charge of H2O is equal to, we will write here, what is the overall charge? 2. So 2 minus 6 into 0, that is 2. Therefore oxidation number is 2, and it will be written as copper 2. Clear children? Overall charge minus ligand into ligand's charge. कितने ligands हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 into 0. Why? Because H2O is neutral. So 2 minus 6 into 0 is equal to 2. So oxidation number is 2. And so we will write here copper 2. Correct? Second example is CuOH. OH, then H2O, then here H2O, here also H2O, but there is no charge. So how to find the oxidation number? There are two types of ligands. Two types of ligands are there, H2O and OH. So H2O and OH, H2O neutral and OH charge is -1. Okay, so how many OH are there? Total charge is 0. So 0 minus, दो OH है ना बेटा, तो 2 into -1 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 into 0. So it will become 0 minus plus, so 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so it will be again copper 2. That means oxidation number is 2. Oxidation number is equal to 2. So it is again copper 2. Another example, if I show you, third example, it is Cu, then Cl, then Cl, Cl, Cl. Okay, so coordinate bond होता है इनके बीच में, पता ही है लिगैंड के बीच में. So it is like this. Fine. And in total it is 2 minus. Overall charge is 2 minus. Now एक ही लिगैंड है, that is Cl, and Cl का charge, Cl charge is -1. Therefore oxidation number is equal to -2 minus -1 into 4 is equal to -2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore it is copper 2. Correct? Next example of oxidation number is NiCl4 2 minus. Okay, and Cl, again Cl ligand कितना है, charges -1. Therefore -2 minus -1 into 4 is equal to 2. Therefore it is nickel 2. Next is Ti hexaaqua H2O6 3 plus. So here we will write 3 minus 6 into 0. Why 0 beta? Because H2O is neutral. H2O is neutral ligand. Okay, so is equal to 3. Therefore it is titanium 3. एक 0 वाला भी आएगा, इंटरेस्टिंग है बेटा, देखना ध्यान से. MnCO होल 5. ठीक है, तो CO होल 5 अब नथिंग इज देयर, एंड CO कैसा है, न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल है. ओके, न्यूट्रल. सो इट विल बी 0, क्योंकि देर इज नो चार्ज, सो 0 minus 5 into 0 is equal to 0. सो ऐसा भी ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर हो सकता है, 0 भी हो सकता है. ओके, टुमारो आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compounds.